Welcome to Bogota Airport. We're gonna do a quick video on our 3-hour layover in Bogota. I'm gonna show you what we do or not do. We are en route from JFK all the way to Quito, Ecuador. Had to stop because I saw a Delta. I think that's a 767. Look what we just spotted. Star Alliance A340. You don't actually see these with the 4 engines anymore. That's amazing. We walked for about 5 minutes. Our gate is 38, so we're gonna go up and find where the gate is. International checkpoints. Oh, are we going through security again? Okay, so we had to go through security. They took our drinks and stuff. And right after security, how cool is this? They have a duty-free shop. Welcome to Colombia. Got Bogota duty-free. Oh, the airport is really nice. Look at Alia next to the Bogota duty-free sign. Let's take a picture. Okay, we're gonna check our gate number one more time. Gate 38. And flight number 67, do you want to check the boarding pass? Been carrying our important documents in this handy Eagle Creek passport bag. Flight 67. Awesome. You got Victoria's Secret, Chanel, all the regular mall shops. Oh, Burger King. Orleans American Bistro. Okay, they also have an Avianca lounge here. I don't see a sign for priority pass.
You want to see the type of chips they have? Gracias.
So 20,200 pesos. A bag of potato chips and some yogurt for his. Wow, this is a really cool looking airport. There's more shops in that side, food court and toilets. So we're gonna go that way to gate 30 to 33. That's the end. All I see is just gates after gates. So we're gonna turn around, head back to the shops area where the Dunkin' Donut was. What's Issa looking at? Issa, do they have anything? They don't have mac and cheese? Do you want anything else? Or just one chocolate chip? Okay, we'll get that. In their currency, I just spent 6,800. That's blowing my mind. So we walked the length. We didn't really see a food court. We just saw Dunkin' Donuts. Look how beautiful these shops are at the airport. If we had more luggage, because we are only traveling on backpacks for our Ecuador trip, and they are already stuffed. If we had more than backpacks, I would definitely be shopping here. Yeah, and that's Alia's favorite. Just the amount of color in this shop. Right, Alia?
I just love it. Look at that purple and blue bag. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
I love it.
And their prices are fairly reasonable. $75. Okay, but that's leather, so that's pretty good. Cafe Gourmet here. Yeah, I would say that's a pretty cool looking bakery. Heading back, we'll check out some eateries on the other side. This has to be a newer airport because look how high these ceilings are. It's like really, really nice. Now we have not seen the domestic side, but this is the international side, and it's, I would say, even better than my favorite JFK Terminal 4. Alia's carrying kids' jackets in a handy bag over here. I actually feel guilty because all I'm holding is a camera, but she's a trooper, taking the brunt of our luggage with her. Yeah, that looks like a nice coffee shop. You know what I was thinking? John said we should drink coffee here. It's Colombia. So, and this looks like the place to be. So we'll probably come back and see if we can't find anything else. Get a couple of these pastries. All right, so we are heading towards gates 36 and 56. You got seating on the side. You have a lot of these big stores. We're gonna go check if we can find some place to sit down and have a proper meal. If not, we may come back to that nice looking bakery we just saw. Uh-oh. We just spotted at gate 51 Guy's Burger Joint. Oh, we gotta go try his fries.
Let's go.
It's 21:30. I love you. Only have 40 minutes. Okay, we're gonna power walk for Guy Fieri fries. The whole family just got a boost of energy because Alia saw a Guy Fieri banner. Who would have thought? Bogota, Colombia, Guy Fieri burgers. Alright, Alo, we got 30 minutes. So we have been walking for like 20 minutes now, and outside of the pauses, these stores just keep on going. That's El Dorado Lounge. I really hope Guy Fieri is not closed. We discovered Zona, which I think is a food court. I'm gonna check it out for a quick second. You got Amazonia Cafe. Oh, that's what we were looking for when we walked the other way.
Oh my god, it smells like heaven in here.
Yeah, Wolfgang smells pretty good.
You see it?
That was Wolfgang. Look how beautiful this Cambia house is.
Layover de Colombia.
Okay, we spotted Guy Fieri.
That seating is not nice. This is much
Yeah,
better.
this seating is much better, but we are craving some fries. That's interesting. It says Guy's Burger Joint was established in 1968. So I'm not sure if Guy is that old, but I don't care. I'm here for these burgers. Total is 78,000. We're trying to convert 85,300. Here's what is 85,300 Colombian pesos in USD? $29. So $30 for a burger, Coke, and chips. They're playing Guy's Grocery Games here, waiting for number 28. And that was number 24. Okay, we are in suspense mode now. Our number hasn't come up yet. It's taking too long. We have 10 minutes to make it to our gate, and we still haven't gotten food. All right, our number is here. We have less than 9 minutes to eat. Okay, there's no way we can finish this in 9 minutes.
I think we can.
We're back from Guy's Burger Joint. We are 10 minutes after boarding started. We're in the 50s. We have to go all the way to the gate 38, I think. We ate that burger in 8 minutes. Fries, pick some water, pack up, and left. Our walk begins now. It's a beautiful terminal. A lot of choices between Dunkin' and Burger King and Guy Fieri. So if you're from the United States, you can totally feel at home at Bogota Airport. Look, they even have a sushi bar and coffee bar. Be prepared to walk a lot if you decide to explore like we did. All right, this says 38 to 13 is another 6-minute walk. All right, made it. That was one fast burger. The walk from the plane to this area, the international site for the international transfers, was a good 15 minutes. And then when we came out, We went in that direction, gate 13. There's not much there except for Dunkin' Donuts.
That's
The-
yeah. There are some shops there, but not as
Yeah.
fancy and not the brands. They're local, beautiful,
Yeah.
traditional shops. It was nice walking around there. We're really gonna miss this airport. I wish we had more time here to explore more and to go inside and shop a little bit. Even though we don't have much luggage allowed, so we can't really shop.
If you want all the shops, come to the 30s gates and walk in that direction because you're gonna see all the food court and a lot more shops in that direction. All right. On that note, this wraps up our tour of Bogota's international gates, starting with duty free and everything else. We had a great time.
And we're already looking forward to being back here
Yeah.
on our layover,
Yeah.
on our flight back. So until then, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Looks like Colombia runs on Dunkin'.
No te vayas de parte di Colombia.
Why don't you just... Oh, you just read that. I don't know why I have this fear the gates behind me will close and I'll be stuck in this section. I don't know if it's like vegetable and I don't know how to ask them. Yeah, then they will give me chicken. Pollo.